Hello everyone! Say hi! Hedwig here is a really playful dog. He likes to go outside and to run a lot with my brother. So, most of the time, syempre, dahil nga lumalabas siya tapos tumatakbo, syempre bumabaho siya and then he gets dirty a lot. So, what we do is we wash him every day, which has been a problem kay Hedwig kasi nga, nagiging dry yung skin niya. Tapos yung fur niya medyo naging dry na itsura. So, as a fur mom, syempre naging concern ako nun. So, what I did was, I searched online and I really researched a lot dun sa mga ingredients na kailangan ng fur baby ko na si Hedwig. So, what I discovered sa Facebook, itong bagong product is yung Vitality. So, one of the things that I like here is merong siyang ingredients na Coco MCT. So, ever since we used the Vitality shampoo, syempre napansin ko after a week, mas naging softer yung hair niya, tapos hindi na siya dry, which really helped a lot dun sa pag-help dun sa dry skin ni Hedwig. Kaya then, if you really care a lot about your dogs and also want to set them free and playing, you can also buy here itong Vitality Dog Shampoo and Conditioner. So that's all guys. Thank you. Bye-bye!
Skin and fur problems are among the most common reasons our dogs end up at the vet's clinic. Most skin problems are caused by bacteria or lack of skin moisture. These skin and coat conditions are more common during warmer season, gaya ngayong summer. Ano nga ba ang pwedeng gawin kapag dry ang coat ni fur baby at ano ang sanhi nito? Ano-ano ba ang dapat nating iwasan upang manatiling healthy at moisturize ang kanyang balahibo and skin overall? Lahat ng yan at marami pang iba ang matututunan natin ngayong Sunday morning as we take you to 30 minutes of informative and fun bonding experience with our fur babies. Hi, I'm Ken and I'm here at JolliPets PH Pet Supplies and Grooming for another special live stream episode of Vitality Dog Shampoo Bath Time Live. Brought to us by Vitality Dog Shampoo and Conditioner, now with a new variant that is Coco MCT, an active ingredient that moisturizes, revitalizes, and protects your fur baby's coat. And of course, in partnership with JolliPets PH Pet Supplies and Grooming. First of all, we would like to thank and welcome our early live viewers this morning. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat and welcome sa ating live stream session. Alam kong Sunday ngayon at super aga, pero thank you so much for waking up early. Let us know in the comment sections where you are watching from para naman alam namin kung sino ang reach ng ating live stream session. And aside from the things that we will be learning today, mamimigay din tayo ng exclusive Vitality Pet Care gift pack sa 5 lucky live paw parent viewers. Sundin lamang ang mechanics na ito. First, share this live stream video on your profile and take note na dapat naka-public yan, okay? Second, invite your fellow paw parent friends by tagging them in your post. And then third, in the comment section, key in an answer to the question, bakit Vitality Dog Shampoo with Coco MCT ang gagamitin mo para kay fur baby with the hashtag #VitalCareVitalLove. And that's it. We will be choosing 3 live stream winners and 2 after live stream winners for a total of 5 lucky paw parent winners who will receive the exclusive Vitality Pet Care gift packs. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Share, invite, and key in your answer to the question. O di ba, kahit saan ka man nanonood ngayon, whether you're in the comforts of your own home, kung nagsiswimming ka man dahil summer ngayon, you will get a chance to win our gift packs for today. Alright? Fur baby mo ba ay suffering from dry skin? O kaya naman ay flaky skin or dandruff? O tingin mo ay lagi siyang nangangati? If your answer to these scenarios are yes, then you need this. The new variant of Vitality Dog Shampoo and Conditioner with Coco MCT. Ang Coco MCT ay ang bagong active ingredient added sa new variant ng Vitality Dog Shampoo and Conditioner that provides 3 major benefits. First one is it provides extra moisture to your dog's dry and damaged hair caused by other brands na mayroong mga harsh chemicals. Second, it revitalizes flaky skin and matted fur, especially ngayong summer season na prone talaga sila sa dryness and itchiness. And third, it gives additional antimicrobial protection for your outdoorsy dogs na mahilig lumakad at lumayo sa bahay ninyo at pumunta kung saan-saan. At lahat ng yan on top pa of the benefits that Vitality Dog Shampoo and Conditioner Original Variant already has, which are 100% natural ingredients, it's gentle and hypoallergenic. It's also sulfate-free. More on that later on. pH balance din siya. And of course, para mabango ang inyong mga fur babies, meron siyang citrusy fragrance at makakatipid din kayo dahil hindi lang siya shampoo, it also has that conditioning effect. At para patunayan lahat ng yan, sasamahan tayo ng ating special guest sa pagpapaligo ng ating dog for today. Please welcome the owner of JolliPets PH, Miss Camille!
Hi, good morning!
Good morning,
viewers!
Good morning! Kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman. Ang ganda naman ng aking gising.
That's good to hear. Ready ka na ba sa pagpapaligo ng ating dog star of the day?
Yeah, sobrang excited na ako mapaliguan yung ating dog for today.
Alright. So, Miss Camille, alam ko na medyo mahirap as a business owner to start a business. What inspired you to start JolliPets PH?
You know, the reason or what inspired me para mag-open ng pet store, which is si JolliPets PH, is my love for cats and dogs. Yeah, and I want to be able to help stray dogs and cats in the future.
So you're a paw parent too.
Yes, I have cats. my chunky cat, si Max and Sam. And also we have a dog, si Amber, which is a Yorkie breed.
Okay, so siya mamaya ang papaliguan natin. Oh, I'm
Yes.
so excited. And how's life having a dog companion or a pet companion?
You know, it's really, it's the best. It's the best having a dog talaga sa bahay. When you're stressed from work, ayan, pag uuwi ka sa bahay, ayan, may cute na maghihintay talaga, na super excited na maghihintay sa door mo. Ayan.
Totoo yan. Lalo na pag dogs, no? Pag nawala ka lang ng isang araw, parang miss na miss ka na nila.
Oo, yan.
Parehas ako, same sentiment. So, of course, mawawala ba ang ating dog star of the day? Ready na ba kayo mga viewers? Ready ka na ba, Miss
Yes,
Camille?
ready na
Let's
ako.
all welcome our pet dog na ating papaliguan for today. Let's welcome Amber!
Hi, Amber!
Hello, Amber! So, Amber is a Yorkie breed,
Yes.
tama, no? Ilang years na siya?
Bale siya ay 1 year and 5 months na.
Yun. So, adult ka na rin para.
Yes.
Pero, still a baby, tama?
Mukha pa rin baby dahil sobrang small niya.
So, ready ka na ba? Ready ka na ba na paliguan for today? Anong mga usual na problems na na-encounter niyo with Amber? Is she a active dog na mahilig lumabas o kaya pag humiga kung saan-saan lang?
Yes, actually, yes. Yun yung problem namin sa kanya. Saan siya pumupunta, saan siya humihiga. Kahit ano basta, higaan niya yan.
Oh, okay. So, kailan ang last na ligo ni Amber?
Last 2 weeks.
Last 2 weeks. So, ngayon, papaliguan ka after
Yes,
2 weeks.
ready na.
I think ready na siya. So, I think ready na tayong simulan ng ating Vitality Bath Time Live with Amber and Miss Camille. Pero after the few reminders.
Hello for parents, ako si Michael and ito ang aking baby, si Bella. At ngayon ay maliligo siya gamit ang Vitality Dog Shampoo with Coco MCT. Alam nyo ba, as a for parent, talagang nakaka-stress maghanap ng talagang shampoo na hihiyang sa mga babies natin. So, I recommend talaga itong shampoo na to kasi unang-una, mabango siya, promise. And pangalawa, nakakatulong siya para maging moisturized yung fur ng babies natin. Kasi nga, di ba, syempre, minsan lang natin sila paliguan. Ako, pinapaliguan ko sila twice a month lang. And minimake sure ko na yung shampoo na gagamitin nila is dapat talagang quality. At alam nyo ba mga fur moms and fur dads, itong Vitality Dog Shampoo with Coco MCT, bagong variant lang talaga siya yung may Coco. Dati kasi wala. Pero ngayon, mas in-improve nila. Kaya talagang the best na to.
Okay, so, Miss Camille, first of all, dahil summer season na at alam natin, sobrang init talaga dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
How do you take care of your fur baby, lalo na ngayong sobrang init?
Ayun, since summertime nga and sobrang init nga, gaya ng nasabi mo. And then ang daming cases ngayon ng heat stroke for pets, ganyan. So we make, it's very important na we make sure na to keep them cool. So by doing that, so kailangan mas frequent natin silang pinapaliguan.
Okay.
Yes.
Tama yon. Kasi sabi mo, 'di ba, ngayong summer season, almost every week or every 2 weeks dapat tinapaliguan natin yung mga
Yes.
dogs natin. Para naman hindi lang tayong komportable, pati din yung mga fur babies
Yes.
natin. And Miss Camille, so anong mga considerations mo or anong ginagawa nating mga pre-bathing routine bago natin talagang totally basain si Amber?
Ayan. So, in grooming, sa grooming or kahit sa home nyo, so, i-make sure lang natin na they're comfortable bago natin sila paliguan. And then, for pre-grooming routine namin, normally, we trim the pets or magkakaroon kami ng initial cut sa kanila. And then, tinitrim namin yung kanilang nails and then, nag-ear cleaning na rin kami.
Ayun. So, nakikita naman natin, sobrang comfortable ni
Yes.
Amber. Mukhang sanay na sanay siya sa paliligo at pag-groom. Ayun, at saka nakasmile talaga siya. Ayun, so, since papaliguan na rin natin siya in a while, how important is it to choose a good or the best dog shampoo?
It's really important talaga na we use the best shampoo for them. Of course, yung suitable talaga for dogs. Kasi yung mga dogs kasi iba yung skin nila. Different yung skin nila. So, kapag gumagamit sila ng mga harsh chemicals shampoo, so, ang nangyayari nun, tendency is nagkakaroon sila ng skin irritations na nagli-lead to a more serious problem.
You mean pag gumamit ng ibang brands or human shampoo?
Yes.
Okay. So, hindi suitable yung mga ganong shampoo pagdating sa dogs. Okay. So, ano bang mga usual na nangyayari sa mga dogs natin kapag gumamit tayo ng mga human shampoo or other brands with harsh chemicals?
Ayan, so kapag human shampoo, so never talaga, huwag kayong gagamit ng human shampoo for dogs. Dahil meron yung mga chemicals na hindi nga suitable for them, like yung sulfate. So most shampoos kasi out there have sulfate. So, yun yung nagkakos ng dryness. Kapag gumamit kayo na nagkakos ng dryness, ng skin irritations. So, ayan, mamumula yung kanilang mga skin.
So, instead na ma-refresh sila, pag ginamitan mo ng ganon, baka mas lalo silang ma-irritate at saka mas stress sa buhay, di ba?
Yes.
So, ayun. So, take note guys, bawal at wag natin gamitin ang human shampoo or detergents. May ibang gumagamit ng detergents eh. So, wag natin gamitin yon. Let's use, dun pumapasok ngayon ang ating Vitality Dog Shampoo and Conditioner. Have you tried using this or are you using this sa paliligo mo kay Amber?
Yes, of course. Ayan. So, ginagamit na namin ever since si Vitality kasi yung mga ingredients na we're looking for shampoo is nandyan na kay Vitality.
Yon. So, at saka complete, I heard na complete ito kasi it's not only a shampoo but also a conditioner.
Yes. So, para ka na talaga makakatipid na po kayo.
So, aside from cleaning your dog, it also conditions the fur. Tama?
Yes.
So, hindi ka na maglalagay pa ng other chemicals after nung kanyang bath time.
Yes.
Tama, no? So, ayun. So, good thing po na we have Vitality Dog Shampoo and Conditioner. This is actually, sabi ko nga, all-in-one na. It has a shampoo effect and also a conditioning effect na you can use either in your homes or in grooming centers. And thank you, Miss Camilla.
Yes.
So, papaliguan na natin in a while si Amber. Ayan, Miss Camille, dito na tayo sa point na pinapaliguan na natin si Amber. So, Miss Camille, may tanong ako sa inyo. How often ba natin dapat paliguan ang ating mga fur babies?
So, it will really depend. Maraming factors. So, for example, sa season. So, if rainy, since mas malamig doon, so mas less yung pagpapaligo natin for our fur babies. And then kapag lalo na ngayong summer season, mas frequent na siya. And isa pang factor is yung kanilang hair type. So, kapag long-haired breeds, so mas frequent ang kanilang, say mga once a month, ganyan. And then kapag short-haired breeds is mga twice a month.
So, yung factor natin is hair type and seasonality din.
Yes.
So, kung ngayong mga tag-init, mga gano'ng kadalas nyo yung pinapalugaan si Amber?
Yeah. So, ngayong tag-init, tinatry namin ng once a week. Kahit once a week, ayan. So, pero may mga times na hindi maganda na nagpapaligo tayo ng madalas since nakaka-dry yun ng skin na parang nakukuha natin yung natural oils na napoproduce ng dogs. So, ang maganda since si Coco MCT, si Vitality, ayun, meron siyang Coco MCT which nakakabalik ng moisture or yung natural oils ng dogs natin.
So, kahit frequent mo siyang paliguan, hindi siya prone to irritation and
very
dryness.
safe. Yes.
Oh, very safe. That's good to know, no?
Yes.
Ayan. And, of course, buti si Amber, medyo hiyang na sa water.
Yes, oo nga.
How do you deal with dogs who hates water in general?
Ayan. So, pag mga ganon, in terms of dito sa grooming namin, normally naman, nahahandle naman siya. Pero ang ginagawa naming way is to, first is we make them comfortable muna sa area. Syempre, para hindi sila ma-stress, para maging kalmado lang sila. And also, one way na ginagawa namin is to make the water warm. So, kailangan warm water lang. Kasi kapag cool, medyo nagugulat sila na lalo silang nagtatatalon-talon, nasa-stress sila kapag gano'n.
Okay, so doon ulit pumapasok yung dapat maging comfortable ang ating mga
Yes.
fur babies sa kanilang bath time para hindi sila matrauma. Ayan. So that's a good points to take into considerations lalo na sa ating mga live viewers ng mga fur parents. And ngayon, alam niyo na yung mga tips on how to make bath time enjoyable for your fur babies. And since katawan yung inuna natin kay Amber, later on, di ba, papaliguan din natin at babasain din natin yung kanyang face. How do you deal with it? Kasi alam ko, it's the trickiest part ng dog na basain at saka paliguan.
Ayun, since yun nga, nag-uumpisa talaga nga kami sa katawan. Since kapag inuna mo sa mukha, yun na magsa-start na yan, mag-rumble-rumble talaga. So, kapag pagdating na sa face, normally naman, basta low pressure lang yung water. So, low pressure lang, ontihan mo lang yung water sa ulo nila. Basta yung wet lang, ganon. And then, apply lang kayo ng onting-onting shampoo lang. And then, make sure na huwag mapupunta sa eyes nila.
Okay.
Yes.
So, kasi kung other brands yan, malamang mai-irritate na agad yung eyes or yung mouth ng mga dogs.
Yes.
Good thing, kasi yung ating Coco MCT is very gentle. So, hindi prone to irritation talaga yung dogs natin. Kahit mapunta man yan sa kanilang mga eyes or sa kanilang mga mouth. Ayan. So, may mga adjustments ka ba bang ginagawa as a paw parent kapag, kunyari, you're handling a small dog tapos pag may mga big dogs na pumapasok dito sa grooming center? How do you handle that?
Sa grooming naman namin, if small or large breed dogs, itong that area namin is perfect naman na for them, for both of them. Pero if nasa bahay kayo, ang mangyayari lang, if sa pag sa small dogs, very easy lang since kahit saan pwede nyo isa-sink, sa comfort room. Pero kapag big dogs na, syempre, mahirap kapag sa siksik kayo na lugar magpapaligo. So, yan.
So, yung area din. Yung area din. Ayan. So, mukhang ready din silang maligo. Gusto nilang ma-experience ang ating Vitality Dog Shampoo and Conditioner with Coco MCT.
Yes. Ayan. So, pag big dog, so make sure doon kayo sa comfortable din yung area nila. Pwede kayo sa garage, sa labas ng bahay nyo.
Okay. Or go to JolliPets
Yes.
PH. Ayan. And let the professionals handle that grooming.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Camille.
Hi everyone, my name is Oski and this is my baby and he is Tam Tam. Tam Tam is a Pomeranian and he is turning 1 year old very soon. Actually, I've used a lot of shampoo brands before pero yung Vitality talaga yung pinaka nagustuhan ni Tam Tam kasi mabango at parang very refreshing after ng bathing time niya. Fresh and happy. Thanks to Vitality!
Alright, Miss Camille. So, pagkatapos nating basain at paliguan si Amber at binublow dry na siya ngayon.
Yes.
Ayan. So, let's talk about more about some questions na I want to clarify din with you. Kasi, since, di ba, dito, ini-air dry siya. Paano naman yung mga paw parents natin na nasa bahay? Okay lang ba na towel dry lang yun? Or do they need to have parang blower para ma-air dry din?
Ayan. If home setup, no, if natin, if air dry ba or towel dry. So, much better pa rin if towel dry lang. Kaysa sa air dry. Kasi pag air dry, kapag pinabayaan lang natin siyang matuyo ng on her own, ganyan, possible yung mga matted. Maging matted, magtanggal po yung kanyang mga fur, ganyan.
May pwede pa silang gawin, ha? Kaya nila.
Yes, kapag if ever mas maganda na gamitan niyo siya ng towel dry, mga fast absorbent na towel, ganyan. And then if ever na meron silang blow dry, pwede din.
Okay.
Much better. Para maiwasan yung mga hot spots, gano'n.
Okay, that's tama yun. Kasi dito, you're using...
I-heavy duty blower din talaga para matuyo sila ng properly.
Ayun. So, if speaking of pala sa ating professional groomer, kasi nandito na rin naman tayo, how often ba dapat i-visit ang ating mga professional groomers?
It's really important na i-visit ating mga professional groomers natin regularly. So, regularly kapag, ang normal, if long-haired breeds na dog, so kahit once a month.
Once a month?
Yes. Kapag short-haired breeds, kahit once every 2 months. So, pero since tag-init ngayon, much better if mas frequent pa doon, nadali nyo sila sa professional grooming para ma-relieve talaga sila, maano nila yung init ng panahon.
Okay. Tapos, since professional groomers to, I believe meron silang mas makikitang other na hindi natin nakikita as our parents, no?
So, ang isa din na good thing kapag dinadala niyo yung mga fur parents niyo sa professional grooming is may mga nakakatch sila ng mga parang underlying conditions ng mga fur babies natin, such as yung parang kanilang skin conditions, ganyan. Nakikita if meron silang mga ear mites and other things.
And what do you do with these findings kapag kunyari nandito
Ayan,
na sila?
of course, sinasabi namin na agad sa mga fur parents sila para maipa-check up na nila agad and then maiwasan ng lumala pa.
That's true. Kasi prevention is always better than cure.
Yes.
So, kapag dinala niya sila sa professional groomer, mas makakash lahat ng pwedeng makitang underlying conditions nga na sinasabi ni Ms. Camille. And speaking of nandito tayo sa professional groomer, pag nasa bahay ka naman at saka ayaw mong dalhin, for example, sa professional groomer, meron bang consequences to na pwedeng mangyari sa ating mga fur babies kapag sa bahay lang natin sila pinapaliguan, inaalagaan?
If hindi ganun ka-knowledgeable yung mga fur parents, no, possible na magkaroon sila ng mga skin conditions, mga skin problems, ganyan. So, normally dito sa store namin, kapag dinadala dito yung mga fur babies nila, ayan, may mga nakikita kami sometimes na mayroong mga flakes, ganyan, may mga dandruff, ayan. So, yung mga nakikita natin na ang nangyayari doon is kapag, for example, gumagamit sila ng mga harsh chemicals, kaya na nakakapagpa-dry ng skin. So, yun yung nagiging cause, yung pagka-dry ng skin na nagiging dandruff na siya.
So, ang advice nyo to our paw parents na kung gusto nilang i-take care yung kanilang mga fur baby sa bahay lang, dapat ang gamitin nilang dog shampoo ay...
Si Vitality, since it's very gentle lang talaga and all natural siyang shampoo.
That's correct.
And of course, ayan, make sure na babanlawan nyo ng maigi talaga ang mga fur babies nyo.
Yes, that's correct. Parang sa tao lang din. Pag hindi mo na banlawan, parang pwede kang magkabalakubak anytime, di ba? So, ganun din sa ating mga fur babies. So, kung gusto niyo ng mas professional care to your very precious fur babies, punta kayo sa mga professional groomers natin once or twice every month for long-haired breeds and once every 2 months for short-haired breeds. Okay? And, since nakikita ko na na medyo fresh na si Amber sa kanya after niya ma-blow dry. After nito, anong procedure ninyong gagawin?
Ayan, normally dito sa aming store, sa JolliPets PH, sometimes we give them treats, no, as rewards. Kapag bet talaga na, pero binibigyan namin sila ng treats. So, magandang ginagawa niyo yun sa home setup kung sa bahay niyo siya ginugroom para malalaman talaga na ma-incorporate sa kanila na, ay, kapag naligo pala ako, meron akong treats, ganyan.
Okay, that's a very good reward system for our fur babies na kahit nasa bahay man, mas gusto nilang maligo because they're looking forward to the treats that they will receive. Parang training din yun. No?
Parang training na rin talaga yun.
And especially now na sobrang init, mas mahihirapan tayong paliguan sila kapag ayaw talaga nilang maligo. So, importante yung may treats. So, that's what you do with Amber. At gustong-gusto niya naman, malamang.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So, to our live paw parents out there, narinig nyo na yung mga tips ni Miss Camille. And don't forget also that we have an ongoing promo to all our live paw parents watching us. First, you have to share this live stream video on your profile at dapat naka-public yan. Then, please invite your fellow paw parents by tagging them in your post. And third, you have to comment down below kung ano ang inyong magiging answer sa question natin na bakit Vitality Dog Shampoo with Coco MCT ang gagamitin mo para kay fur baby with the hashtag #VitalCare, VitalLove. Dapat sunod-sunod yun ha, share, invite, and answer the question through the comment section. Alright, so Miss Camille, after this, we also have some questions from our live viewers. Are you ready to answer them?
Yes.
Alright.
Hi everyone, this is Kevin and meet my baby boy husky. This is Milo. Say hi Milo. I actually discovered shampoo and conditioner for my baby boy. And honestly, nung ginamit ko siya, sobrang smooth na ng fur niya, ang bango-bango. Ang bango nito. So before kasi I was just using mga brandless na shampoo for dogs or soap for dogs, pero iba to. So share ko sa inyo, ito ay Vitality Dog Shampoo. I was hesitant before kasi first time ko siya marinig eh. So bagong-bago. And nung nagamit ko siya, hindi ako magsisisi. Iba. Quality kong quality. Kita niyo naman sa baby boy ko. So yun lang. Bye-bye.
Alright, so welcome back,
Yes.
Miss Camille. And of course, nagbabalik ang bagong ligo na si Amber. Hello, Amber. Ang bango-bango na niya at sobrang fresh. Sobrang bango niya.
Yes.
I think ito yung yung lemon or citrus scent nung ating
Ng
Vitality.
Yes.
And Miss Camille, meron lang tayong mga questions from our live paw parents at sana matulungan mo kami sagutin.
Yes, of
Alright?
course.
Ready ka na ba?
Ready na.
Ikaw, Amber, ready ka na?
Ready ka na? Ready.
Mukhang ready na siya. Okay, so our first question is, although kanina pa natin siya pinag-uusapan na bawal or wag natin gamitin ang human soap sa ating mga fur babies. Pero, what if hypoallergenic naman siya?
I think hindi pa rin talaga pwede, no? So may mga suitable talaga na dog shampoo for dogs.
Okay.
Of course, ayan. And then, ayun, make sure natin na talagang gagamitin natin yung para sa kanila.
Okay, so ibig sabihin lang nun, kung hypoallergenic man siya to us fur parents, to us humans, hindi yon applicable sa ating
Yes.
mga fur babies. So, use Vitality Dog Shampoo and Conditioner na more and most suitable for our fur babies. Second question, Miss Camille. Pwede ba sa may mga skin rashes or galis ang Coco MCT ng Vitality?
Yes, actually si Coco MCT, guys, nakaka-help siya para ma-reduce yung inflammation and nakaka-soothe siya ng skin, nakaka-revitalize ng skin.
So kahit meron na yung fur baby mo na rashes or galis, okay lang napaliguan siya with Vitality na may Coco MCT.
Yes, nakaka-help siya actually.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good. And wag na nating paabutin sa ganon. Let's prevent it by using our Vitality shampoo and conditioner para hindi na sila magkaroon ng galis or
Yes.
any skin rashes in the
Yes.
future. That's again, prevention is always better than cure. And eto na ang pinakamahalagang question, Miss Camille. Saan makaka-order ng Vitality shampoo, dog shampoo and conditioner with Coco MCT?
Of course, saan pa nga ba? So, available din yan sa aming store. So, pwede po kayo mag-walk-in dito sa aming store. Located at 87 San Shanco Street, Malabon City. And also, if you are, pwede din kayo mag-same-day delivery sa aming Facebook page. Just search JolliPets PH. And if malalayo kayo, guys, dito sa Malabon, pwede kayong mag-order online sa aming Shopee or TikTok shop.
Ayun, so online ordering.
Yes.
I-deliver na at your
Yes.
doorstep.
Yes.
Order lang kayo dito. And would you like to invite our paw parents na kung gusto nila magpag-groom? Are you open? Anong operational hours ninyo?
Yes. So, open po kami everyday, guys. Pwede nyo kaming i-message sa page namin for your appointment. So, dito na kayo magpag-groom, guys. Ayan, kung malapit kayo sa Malabon, visit nyo na kami.
And it's a one-stop shop.
Yes.
May grooming and meron din silang supplies where you
Yes.
can get your own pets supplies, and especially yung ating Vitality
Yes.
Dog Shampoo and Conditioner. Alright, so thank you so much, Miss Camille. Thank you so much, Miss Amber, for being with us. Sobrang behave naman ito ni Amber. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And to our paw parents who are watching us live today, kaya nyo pang humabol sa ating promo. Share this live stream video on your profile and make sure that it is in public. Second, invite your fellow paw parent friends by tagging them in your post. And in the comments section, answer the question, bakit Vitality Dog Shampoo with Coco MCT ang gagamitin mo para kay fur baby with the hashtag #VitalCareVitalLove. We will be choosing 3 live stream winners and 2 after live stream winners for a total of 5 lucky paw parent winners who will receive the exclusive Vitality Pet Care gift packs. And winners will be announced next week. There you have it. This has been Ken, and thank you for joining us today. See you on our next Vitality Bath Live.
Hello, I am Miko and this is Park. Nagsimula yung problema namin sa balahibo niya nung bumili ako ng mumurahing sabon online, yung mga 1 galon. So, after a month nung paggamit namin nun, medyo naglagas yung balahibo niya dito sa mepo, tsaka sa paa. So, ayun, nung nalaman ko na merong Coco MCT na nilabas si Vitality, tinry namin, bumili kami. Tapos, ginamit namin sa kanya. Ayun, okay naman sa kanya, hindi naman siya nag-react. Then, after 2 to 3 weeks, napansin namin yung improvement sa balat niya, sa balahibo niya. Hindi na masyadong amoy kulog. Tapos, mas smooth, mas silky, tapos tumubo na unti-unti yung mga balahibo niya. Ngayon, medyo malapit na makumpleto yung lahat ng balahibo niya na nalagas dati.